Five little penguins waddling on the ice. One slipped down, oh no, not so nice. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more slipping, tuck into bed. Four little penguins sliding in the snow. One spun around and shouted, oh no! Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, wrap up warm and rest your head. Three little penguins dancing on the floe. One jumped too high and tumbled below. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, be careful now and take it slow. Two little penguins playing near the sea. One caught a wave and cried, wee, wee, wee. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, stay near the shore, safe as can be. One little penguin standing all alone called for friends in a squeaky tone. Mama called the others, and they all said, let's waddle back home and snuggle instead. Five little penguins snug in their bed, dreaming of adventures in the icy sled. Mama kissed them gently, turned out the light. Good night, my penguins, sleep tight tonight.